This small but symmetrical knot is the Nicky Knot. Number 14 in the top 50 knots. Throw this burgundy grenadine necktie over your neck with the blade or white end on the right. Flip it so the inseam is facing out. Make the blade about 2 inches longer than the tip of your right hand. Cross the blade under the tail or skinny end to make the neck loop. Take the blade down through the neck loop and then to the right to make the knot. Take the blade in front of the knot to create the front loop. Then take the blade up through the neck loop and down through the front loop to finish the knot. Tighten the knot by pulling up on the blade with your right thumb and down on the blade with your left hand. Oh, so tricky with the Nicky. Cinch the knot by pulling down on the tail and sliding the knot up to your neck. Now you are a man, not a babushka. Voila! A perfect Nicky Knot. Nikita Khrushchev would be proud. Because this knot is actually named after him, he picked it up in Milan after seeing it there. Aside from its name, this knot is great for a couple reasons. First, because it's symmetrical and slightly smaller than the Half Windsor. Second, because you can wear this necktie with almost any color, pattern, or texture. And third, because it's self-releasing, meaning you can easily pull out the tail and release the knot. If your tie is too long in the end, start over and adjust the blade shorter in the beginning, or longer if it was short. Is it only Russians wearing this knot? Or is this the secret to look like a high-class villain? This knot wouldn't be number 14 if some of you weren't wearing it. So let me know in the comments why you choose this knot. Did you know you can elevate a suit by folding a pocket square with this video here? If you like this video, hit that subscribe button so you'll remember me next time you need to tie a tie. And as always, gentlemen, keep looking classy. I'll see you at the top.